Hey guys, wobbly ceiling fan version 1. And you can also call it V2. I mean V3. I mean V1. It's getting tougher. Don't know tough. Where is the rope to turn on this heck? What the bad news is that I forgot my cat to when I buy my cat, like he born in he's like born a baby freaking how much, which is the switch? Well, okay, for this hold on already. I can turn it on. I turn it on. Meow 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 meow. Did you know the song? Please go away. I guess. OMG. What the heck? Let me rotate it. 3, 2, 1. Are you distributors? Okay, now that started rotating. I guess the blades are heavy. I don't like this game. I don't like the version 2 of this game. So let's quit. So I'll try another game. Abused and wobbly ceiling fans. I'll never play that. Poop in a box. And I never wanna see a colorful impossible glass bridge. Wobbly ceiling fan that I make dispersion. I don't never wanna see you, I never wanna meet you again. Did you recognize the song? If you don't recognize, then I'll tell you. It's worth nothing. Worth nothing. No fret. I don't never wanna see you, and I never wanna meet you again. All I have to do is spawn all of the ceiling fans. Meet you again. Yes, sir. I'll turn on the ceiling fan later. I don't never wanna see you, and I never wanna meet you. chill. You are not pretty either. Okay. Let's on it. Turn it on. Okay, only the light turns on. Yeah. The ceiling fans is beautiful. Yes, guys. Okay. Okay, so what the heck? What the hell? Ellie. Oh no, I'm not bad. I don't ever wanna see it. Baby, do control on and on and on and on. The 2001 singer Oliver Tree wasn't good, but this time was. Cause I beat. What I beat you. I am so confused this time. Yeah, like then van. Is broken. I guess this one got broke. I guess don't turns on. Even the band and ceiling fan turn on Roblox, but surprisingly this don't. I guess it's broken. I'm too bored. What should I play, Emily, guys?